Scots should brace for more grim weather as parts of the country will be hit by strong and gusty winds while others endure torrential rain. The Scottish Borders is set to be blasted by southwesterly gales over 50 miles per hour today, with some exposed areas reaching up to 65 miles per hour. Elsewhere in the northwest, a number of public transport services have been cancelled thanks to heavy rains set to result in flooding and possible landslides. Scotland's yellow wind warning is in place from 9 a.m. on Sunday, December 17, until 6 p.m. this evening. Those in affected areas are being warned of travel disruption, as marked crosswinds are likely on some roads. Public transport is also affected, with trains, buses, ferries and air travel likely to experience delays. Delays for high-sided vehicles on exposed routes are possible and there are chances of short-term power loss from fallen tree debris. Speaking on Sunday's forecast, Met Office meteorologist Jonathan Vothray reported, "We're also going to see some very strong and significant downwind gusts as well. Potential for gale-strength gusts across much of northern England and Northern Ireland and into Scotland as well. 40, 50, 55 miles per hour gusts, so a very windy and blustery day that will take the edge off the feel of things." It comes as a severe amber weather warning is in place over the northeast, with forecasters warning the most impacted areas could see a month's worth of rainfall in one day. The Met Office warned the most severely impacted areas could endure a month's worth of rain in a day. The alert is now expected to end earlier than previously forecasted at 6 p.m. this evening, while a more widespread yellow alert will terminate at midnight. On Twitter, ferry operator CalMac announced the cancellation of several of its services, warning of possible disruption to other services. ScotRail has also cancelled some services, and warned the public to take care when travelling as rainfall worsens. The Met Office on Saturday said certain areas may suffer power cuts, while some communities may be completely cut off. SEPA has issued a flood warning in Strath-Oikel, while flood alerts have been issued in Caithness and Sutherland, Argyll and Bute, Easter Ross and Great Glen, Skye, and Lochaber, and Wester Ross. On Saturday, police warned to expect disruption while encouraging road users in the affected area to consider whether they need to travel. They have and are advised people to avoid traveling into the affected area and to drive to the road conditions. Chief Superintendent Hilary Sloan, head of road policing, said, "Our advice is to plan ahead and consider if your journey is really necessary during the bad weather or if it can be delayed until conditions improve. Stopping distances can be at least double on wet roads compared to dry conditions, and spray can reduce driver visibility. If you need to travel, please drive to the conditions, be prepared for delays and allow extra time for your journey. Please don't drive through road closures. The decision to close roads is not taken lightly and is done for public safety." Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter here.